In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag in Project Sekai. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present to you multiple methods that might help alleviate any lag that you are having while trying to play Project Sekai on your phone. First of all, if your phone is really low end, access the menu, like the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then go into the options. What you can change over here in the Show tab is lower the model to light and change the 3D to standard. This isn't going to do much, but it already contributes in lowering lag. The second most basic thing that you can do is to close down any applications that you aren't using while playing Project Sekai. So make sure you close that out from any games that are running on the background when you are trying to play Project Sekai. This makes it so your phone can allocate more resources towards Project Sekai and gameplay will be smoother. With these two steps out of the way, the last thing I want to showcase is to check if your phone has any game boosting options. As you can see, my phone has a game thermal. Since this is a thing that's not available on all phones, I won't go into too much detail, but if your phone has a game mode, it can make it so your phone can completely focus on running the game and it'll allocate all of the available resources in fixing lag on not only Project Sekai but any other game. Besides these three methods, something else to recommend is to try using battery saver mode. This might reduce performance, however, it's going to give you a more stable gameplay instead of spikes of lag when you are trying to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lag in Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.